All right, on to the next swimwear problem. So we did the roll up, roll it down question. How can I make my small bust, my breasts, look fuller in a swimwear? Oh, girl, we got you covered. We got you covered. Let me pull her out right now. Add in, get a swimwear that has a built-in padding, or it has the push-up. If you don't want to do the padding, or if it's too much padding, look for something that has like the push-up that pushes the girl up, and it gives that illusion that you have full cups. But definitely get something that is built in. This is the swimwear. I'm letting you guys know that. Yes, get something that is built in or has the push up type of feature. See this woman behind me, she does not have either one, so therefore it does not give what this person has wanted, which is fuller breasts. All right.